Hello children, welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to learn about vegetables that grow above the ground and vegetables that grow under the ground. So take your book and turn to page number 73. First we will learn about the vegetables that grow above the ground. So have a look at the page 73. First one is cauliflower. It is grown during winter season. Cauliflower has excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Look at the next one. This is tomato. Children, mainly we see tomato has red color, but actually tomato has got different colors like yellow, and we know green when it is absolutely young or raw. Now tomato is used in different curries because it adds taste to the curries, and we make yummy sauce which we apply on noodles, then egg roll, then chow mein, and it makes tasty. We use it when we eat samosa, then we can eat it raw, we can make salad, and we also make chutney. So variety of things are made out of tomato. Next one. This is brinjal. Children, we make different kind of curries with the brinjal, and you know brinjal fry and beguni, tele bhaja beguni or fried beguni is very tasty, and we all love it. We have it in the evening when we take tea or we even eat muri. So it gives us a different taste. This is beans. The picture is actually of French beans. So this is the picture of French beans. Beans are mainly grown during winter season, and they are largely used in chow mein, and you all love chow mein, huh? Yes. They are also used in soup and while making mixed curry, mixed vegetable curry. Next one. This is lady's finger. You know children, why it is called lady's finger? Because the shape of the vegetable is like a finger of a lady. That is why it is called lady's finger. And some of us, we like this vegetable. It is tasty mainly when it is cooked with different type of fish. And we also make vegetable fry along with potatoes. Now children, turn to the page number 74. Go to the next page, 74. Here we will learn about some vegetables that grow under the ground. First one is potato. Potato is used in almost all the curries. And most of us love potato. So you know, whenever any curry is prepared at home, we all get potatoes in the curry. So it is nothing new to us. Next one is onion. It's a very important vegetable which is used for every dish, every curry. The next one is turnip. This is not much grown in West Bengal, even in India. This vegetable is mainly grown in America and European country. And the fourth one is carrot. It's very good for our eyes because we get vitamin A in carrots. So children, take carrot as much as possible. You can eat it raw, you can eat it by making curries. Now children, go to the next page, page number 74. This is your homework. Now what you have to do, color the vegetables that grow under the ground. You can see there are so many pictures of different vegetables. You have to color the vegetables that only grow under the ground, not above the ground. Clear? Children, হোমওয়ার্কে তোমাদের কি করতে হবে? মাটির উপরে যে সকল ভেজিটেবল হয় সেই সকল ভেজিটেবলের নাম নয়, মাটির নিচে যে সকল ভেজিটেবল হয় সেই সকল ভেজিটেবলগুলো কালার করতে হবে। কোনগুলো কালার করতে হবে? মাটির নিচে যে সকল ভেজিটেবলের ছবি পেজ নাম্বার 75-এ দেওয়া আছে সেই সকল ছবি কেবলমাত্র কালার করতে হবে। তোমরা কালার পেন্সিল দিয়ে কালার করবে, অন্য কোনো কালার ইউজ করবে না, তাহলে কালারটা খুব ভালো হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ।